Someone likes a little bling in their life. Gee, I wonder who that could be. Okay, it's me. It's me. Thus, while trolling around on Amazon, I found a company, AVOTTO. And they had a calendar. It's costume jewelry. It's not the real thing. That's okay. It can still be bling. Oh, we rhyme. For the price that I paid, $10 for this calendar, that makes everything 41 cents a day. So let's see if it's worth it. Oh, yes, let's. It's a tiny one, but you can still see it. It's a dangle earring. I've got just one of them so you can hopefully see it better. Oh, it's a little Christmas present. Yeah, how fun. And there's another holiday one. It's not all holiday jewelry. Oh, that's nice, so you can use it year-round. Exactly. This is the other set. It's the Christmas tree, and it's a set of two. I'm just holding up one for you. Oh, yeah, how fun. There are also two bracelets. Yes, one is a beaded dark black, dark brown. The other one is white, but some of them have a bit of a marble effect to them. And one thing I noticed in playing around with them, they have a good stretch, a good rebound to the stretch, and they don't feel like they're going to fall apart or the rubberized band is not going to break on the first use. Oh, I could almost see myself in there. This was I guess you would call it a teardrop, maybe a crescent. A little bit bigger than my preference, yet for some, this could be fun. A gold hoop with a split down the middle, and again, these come in, a set of two. I'm just holding up one to make it easier, hopefully, to see. Oh, I like that one. I liked the looks of this one. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, and again, it's costume jewelry. It's nothing real. We're not at Tiffany's or anything. So it's fun. And at 41 cents a day, yeah, I'd give you 41 cents for this set. Oh, that's a cute one. I like the way it looks like it's three, but it's really just one. Exactly. This is the stone on the end of a necklace. A good necklace length, and it does have an extender if you needed it, but that is a good, if I can get the stone to hold still, a good length. It would be, I look like I'm choking myself, somewhere in that vicinity. That's nice. Yes, that's nice. This one is cute, and it has a little, you can see it, a little bauble on the end. Oh, that could be fun. There's a lot of fun things in here. Good variety, in case not everyone likes everything. Good variety. This was another one of my favorites. A little hoop with some extra bling to it. Oh yeah, bling is good. That's, I think, my middle name. Princess Fatima Bling the Camel. We're about halfway through the calendar. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to our channel so you can enjoy our Advent season and other upcoming videos. And now moving along with this video. There is one necklace with a cute little bar at the end, and I think there's supposed to be a little bauble somewhere that did find itself wound up into a little bit of a tangled tangle, but I think if we just set it aside and play with it, I think I can get it untangled. I don't think it's a terminal situation. These are a little bit big for my preference. Oh, I wonder if I could use that as a nose ring. You do not need a nose ring. Okay, I guess I don't need a nose ring. A little bit big for my preference, but for someone, I think that would be cute. Oh yeah, there's some good bling there. There is some good bling. That is the pendant on a necklace, which again, a decent length of necklace with an extender if you need it. It's getting a little bit tangled, but a definite good length. These also look like fun earrings. I like the way it's not necessarily braided, I guess twisted is the word. They did the sun and the moon. Fatima's got the sun. I'm not sure if you can see it. I've got the moon, and then thank you, please don't swallow it. There is the sun. Neat idea. Actually, these I would be tempted almost to hang on the tree as decoration. They did include one religious item. You could probably get it removed or remove it yourself if you just wanted to use the chain alone. Yeah, it's a nice silver chain. Again, costume jewelry, but still. More earrings with a twist and a turn to them. Are you seeing anything that you like? Let us know down below. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Hey, that's a unique necklace. I could almost use that. Yes, it does go well with your fur, your tone. A nice beaded necklace that really could be used year-round. It doesn't have to be limited to the holidays. A simple gold hoop earring. Those are always helpful at any occasion. So very true. Oh, more bling. Yes, ma'am. Just a simple stud earring with lots of bling. Fun for the holidays, fun for a festive occasion. This next one, I was trying to figure out how this was a reindeer, and then I realized it's not a reindeer, it's a giraffe. This is absolutely precious. I mean, I'm sure it's just plastic. I could be wrong. I think this is absolutely precious. I'm not big about pinning things into my clothes after having to wear so many name tags at work that the pins finally ripped my clothes. I'm not wild about pinning things into clothes, yet this is absolutely precious. I could put this in a shadow box or prop this up somewhere as decor. This is absolutely precious. A little giraffe head. And for the final day, you get a rectangle. And these are all of, I'm going to call it a decent weight, yet not so heavy that it's going to pull hard on your ear. They're all pierced ears. There was no clip-on, clamp-on, so those are all for pierced ears. I think that the giraffe head and this particular earring were my two favorites from this half of the Advent calendar. What did you see that you liked? Let me know, let me know. And now she wants to look at the nitty-gritty. Quickly taking a look at the nitty-gritty, we found this on Amazon. The brand is AVOTTO. It looked like they had other items, so if the calendar isn't there anymore, you might want to go take a look at what other items this brand has to offer. And at the sale price of $10 that I paid, 41 cents a day, that's not bad at all. The original price was $15, so that makes it 62 cents. That's not a bad price either. Thoughts on this calendar? I was pleased that it was not all Christmas. There were only 2 Christmas-specific days and only 1 religious-specific day. So we thought that was a good blend. It was only for pierced ears, so if you don't have pierced ears, this is probably not the calendar for you. That giraffe was absolutely precious. I'm in love with that giraffe. As long as I don't get replaced, you're not getting replaced. Okay, that's good. I wish that they would have had a couple adjustable rings in there. Oh, that's a good idea. I think that would have been nice to have a couple adjustable rings. But all things considered, I'm pleased with it. Anyone else out there ever try any of this stuff? Let us know. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. We got lots going on this Advent season and year-round. We hope to see you again. Thanks for watching. You sure I can't have a nose ring? Yes, I'm sure. Oh, darn it.